Want to beat the heat and enjoy an easy and refreshing summer recipe you can have poolside or lakeside that will keep you light and happy? Well, look no further, because in this video, you will learn how to create this amazing gazpacho recipe with fresh seasonal ingredients that are probably in your backyard or at your farmer's market today. Hi, I'm Voula, and I work with women to help them lose weight without the restrictive diets. And please stay tuned until the end of the video, where I'll be sharing my recipe ebook of 5 days of easy, cool dinners, so you can get started on easy meal planning today. Now, the recipe we are making today can easily fit into your meal planning for the week. Consider making a large batch to freeze that you can defrost when you're ready to eat later. The best part is that it's made with plenty of seasonal vegetables that can easily support your weight management goals, while providing the taste and freshness you crave in the hot summer months. Now, let's see how it's done. Wow, what a beautiful cold soup. Great for those dog days of summer. Now hit that like button if you feel this is a recipe you can easily make today. And remember, in order to make this a complete meal, you can serve it with some fresh grilled fish or seafood like a skewer of grilled shrimp on the side, pairing it with a piece of crusty whole wheat bread, or even adding crunchy tortilla strips to the soup will certainly elevate this dish and keep you full and happy all afternoon long. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell in order to receive notifications of great recipe ideas like this.